Hello coders, welcome to FastCoder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel. My intention is to help the coders and builders who are looking for the job change. Please note, I am not from any consultancy and are not working for any type of other organization. So in today's session, we are going to see nearly 25 job openings. These includes few are for experienced coders, few for freshers, and few work from home jobs, and also jobs from India and UAE. So today we are going to see nearly 25 jobs. So we have first job from TCS. So they are looking for TCS BPS fresher hiring. So you can apply using the provided link here. And also we have one job for pure RCM. They are looking for medical coders. So you can apply using the mobile number and the link provided here. And we have one more job here, Medlearn Vision Healthcare. They are looking for HCC medical coder. They have provided their mobile number as well as their email. You can apply using these details. Next one is for Incessant Healthcare. They are looking for like HCC coders. They are going to conduct walk-ins here. So you can go directly to their location after checking with this mobile number and email ID. They have provided their address also here. You can go directly. So here we have one job from Street Front Healthcare. So they are also provided their mobile number. You can apply for them also. Next one is AccuCode. They are looking for HCC medical coders. It's a open position. They are looking for certified freshers and also 1 to 2 years experience. So basically it is work from home job. Next one is for Primera. They are looking for assistant manager in training. So if you have the qualification required by them, just you can contact by using the provided email ID. Next one is from Caro Health. They are looking for AR colors. So they have provided their mobile number. You can contact with them. Next one is Sigma Medical Coding. So they are looking for 100 plus medical coding freshers. So they are looking for people from Chennai, Coimbatore, and Hyderabad. So you can contact them using the provided website link. And here we have last and Chirac Health. They are looking for medical billers. They have provided their email ID here. You can contact them using this email ID. And also we have few jobs from here also. So this is a work from home job. So minimum 1 year experience required in E&M OP or IP with CPC certification. You can contact with provided mobile number. So here we have job from IKS Health. So they are looking for E&M OP and surgery. You can apply using the provided link. Next one is Infotech Healthcare. So they are looking for the medical coders and credentialing and enrollment executives. You can send your CV to them using the provided email ID. Next one is need DMU coders. So job location is Mysore and Bangalore. So they have provided like they are going to provide work from home job. So you can send your CV to them using the email ID as well as the mobile number. So here freshers also eligible. So if you are a fresher, you can apply here. Greetings from Kensys Solutions. They are looking for IPDRG auditors. So they have provided their mobile number. You can apply through using the mobile number. And here we have one job from UAE. So they are looking for medical coder and CDA officer. So we can send your CV to them using HR at the rate of schauae.com. And next we have one job from HR executive job. So here Astramed Healthcare. So we can contact with Sonia using the provided link or provided email. And the next one is Pacific and Access Healthcare is hiring. So they are looking for all the types of coders. So you can contact them using provided email ID and mobile number. Basically, it is for Noida work from office position. So next we have trainee medical coder. So this is actually it is for episodes. So they have provided their email ID here. You can contact them using email ID. And we have one more vacancy for charge posting, location Pondicherry. So we can send your CV to using provided mobile number. So next one is Savista is hiring fresher medical coders. So they have provided their email ID, mobile number. You can contact them using the mobile number. Next one we are having the Kinsys Solutions need IPDRG auditors work from home. You can contact them using the provided mobile number. And we have already discussed this one. So IKS Health is completed. Yeah, DME completed. Yeah, next one is OT, a healthcare assistant required for this hospital. So you can send your CV using the provided email ID. And here also we have one UAE job, reimbursement recon officer, submission officer, dental coders. So we can send your CV to them using the provided email ID. So here midwives, they are looking for midwives here. So you can send your CV to provided email ID. Okay, thank you guys. So please share our channel to the coders who are looking for job change so that we are going to help them directly. Thank you guys.